Hi, my name's Rick FUERST of Truck Smart Isuzu here on 905 Lincoln Highway in Morrisville, PA. And I'm here to talk to you about this Ram, 2022 Ram 4500 with the Duramag body. It's a 6.4 liter Hemi. This truck comes fully equipped with a Park View rear backup camera, Uconnect 3 media display, Tradesman Level 1 equipment group, as well as remote keyless entry, push button start, power trailer tow mirrors, power windows, power locks, cargo lamp, and Mopar black tubular side steps. You'll see it's a 12-foot aluminum landscape Duramag body with rear barn doors and also a curbside door. And here's the curbside door. Along with an iconic underbody toolbox. So once again, this is a brand new 2022. It's part of our New Truck November promo, and it will be on special till December 1st. Any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Again, Rick FUERST, Truck Smart Isuzu, 946-7221, extension 101.